Scout and I are super excited. The box of style for summer 2018 is here. So let's open it. This looks kind of different. Usually everything's inside of one box like this. Usually a black box, about once a year it's a white box. There's all kinds of stuff around it, so I'm very curious. So let's go get started and we will go check it out. In case you wonder what I'm wearing, these are True Religion skinny jeans, and these are Seychelles shoes that I got off of 6pm.com, like 70% off, that I love. And the shirt is J. Crew from probably a couple years ago. I love it. It's got these cute little buttons up here, and that's it. Come on, Scout, let's go open it up. Excited too? You excited too? Before we get into what's inside the box and what was outside of this box, inside the big shipping box, don't forget to subscribe while you're thinking about it. Also, just a little background in case you aren't aware, this is a quarterly box that comes out every season, and this is the summer 2018 box of style. All right, oh, and I do have a coupon code. You can find it down below in the information. If you're watching this now, it should give you $38 off of your first box of style. By the way, they do have annual memberships too, and in that case, sometimes you get to choose the color of perhaps an article of clothing, or maybe it's gold or silver or rose gold you get to choose from for a necklace or something like that. So just bear that in mind. But you can also just do it whenever you feel like subscribing to it and just get it for a quarter or two, or you can do it yearly, whatever you want. All right, let's check this out. This is the Bindya lace cover up. It is 100% viscose. It is dry clean only, and I think it's going to fit the majority of people because it's a very wide floaty look. It has really adorable details, pom-poms, lace, really pretty. And let's go try this on and see what it looks like. So it is very large, but I mean, it is really cute. I like the details. It's probably not what I would have chosen, you know, on a normal basis, but I think, you know, maybe as a beach cover up, it'd be really cute because it is super cool. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think. Does it look too giant, or is it cute? I'm usually not a huge fan of this kind of really big floaty type of a style, but I think it'll work well as a beach cover-up as well as a shirt. And because of all the detail and the way it kind of falls into your figure, I'm busty, so sometimes these big tenty things just look, I don't know, a little bit like maternity wear on me. But I think that the way that it falls, I think that this might actually work for me. This has a retail value of $115. Okay, on to the next item. It's by Kate Somerville, and this is an ExfoliKate moisturizer. I've not tried this yet. I am a big fan of the ExfoliKate exfoliator. That is actually what made her really famous, and is the most probably well-known of all of her products. So her things are like all natural, paraben-free, phthalate-free, what's the other thing they're free of? Oh my gosh. Sulfate free. So let's take a look at it. They usually have all kinds of things. Yes, here we go. You know, pumpkin and papaya enzymes, pineapple enzyme. So it has a lot of natural things in it, and usually they have a really nice, fresh smell. So let's check this out. It's 1.7 ounces, so it's very generous. Ooh, pretty light green. So that's what it looks like. And it smells just lovely and fresh with a tiny hint of fruit. A little bit citrusy, I guess. So more pineapple-y actually than citrusy. Pineapple citrus. So I'm very much looking forward to using this. And it gets 4.5 stars on Sephora and 5 on QVC. So seems like people like it. We also have earrings. They're from Love and Lemons, and they are brass and cotton tassel. Aren't those cute? So in the season, I think that they're going to look really, really cute, and they are very nice quality. They're actually a bit heavy. Hopefully they won't make my ears hurt if I wear them too long, but these are very nice quality. This next item is the Skova travel towel. We had our choice of colors of this travel towel. It's really big, and I think this is going to be awesome for summer. It's a very, very thin terry cloth, and I don't mean that in a way that it's cheap, but that it will dry quickly. You know, some of them are really, really thick and heavy. It has this cute fringe, and I think this is going to be really, really nice. And ooh, this is super soft. This will give you an idea of the size of the towel. It is going all the way down to my feet. So very good sized towel, and I think this is super cute. This might be my favorite item next to the ExfoliKate moisturizer. Honestly, I'm going to use this so much. The last item is this cute straw bag. This was designed by Rachel Zoe from Box of Style. These pom-poms came in my box because I'm an annual subscriber. I guess it's been another year since I've subscribed, so they threw this in as a little extra. So you can, I guess, put this onto your bag if you like, or do whatever you want with it, I guess. But the bag is really cute. It fits well over your shoulder, so there's enough room for it to be comfortable like that. And yeah, I can just like stick my towel in here, you know, put on my beach cover up, and I'm set for the beach. I'll just put on my sunglasses from last year's summer Box of Style and I'll be all set. So all in all, this box had a $400 value and you paid $99, unless you have the coupon code or something. And I think overall, this was totally worth it. I think if this were sitting there for $99, I would totally buy it. First off, I've always wanted to try this moisturizer, and this is $65. And usually, you know, maybe you can get a little bit of a deal on these kinds of things, but not that good of a deal. So, you know, I'm 2/3 of the way there with this. I love the towel. Good towels cost at least $30, right? So, you know, this is super extra cute. So totally love this. This I will use all summer long as a tote. This is fabulous. And the blousey shirt, I actually really, really like it. I think it's super cute. So this is a huge win for me, and I think it is worth $99 in my opinion. Hopefully this helps you make your decision if you're looking at the Box of Style. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or evening wherever you are.